Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to work out one of the important 15 marks problem on Trainer's, Sharps and Jensen model. This is important. Let's work out. Consider the data given below. Compute portfolio performance. See here BSc index is given as well as return is given, and portfolio index is given and return is given. Okay, we are going to use return information. Okay, portfolio return as well as market return. I think market return is nothing but BSc index or BSc index return. Okay, this is index. This index we are not going to use. We are going to use this particular column, that is market return or BS return, and this one portfolio return. Okay, here the risk-free rate is 1.75, that is RF. Then beta of the portfolio is 2.83. Okay, evaluate the performance of portfolio using Trainer, Sharp and Jensen's model. So in this particular question, risk RF is given, beta is given, but beta is given, return is given, that is market return is given and portfolio return is given. Okay, then what you need, that is standard deviation is not given. Standard deviation, portfolio standard deviation is not given. So for that you need to calculate that one. So for that formula is standard deviation is equal to square root of summation d square divided by n. Summation d square divided by, one minute, summation d square divided by n. This is the formula, square root of summation d square divided by n. Now what is d? D is nothing but rp minus r bar p, right? Rp minus r bar p. Now you need to calculate rp. Rp minus r bar p you have to calculate. Okay, now what is rp? See, first you are going to calculate for portfolio, not for market. So portfolio is nothing but this one. Portfolio return is this one. 1 minute, I erase. Yes, see, this is regarding these two columns regarding portfolio and these two columns regarding market. Okay, you have to take now portfolio. So portfolio return you have to take. So here portfolio return is nothing but RP, return of the portfolio. First one is dash, second one is 30.1, then 17.6 minus 22, 11.2, 4.5, 0.7, minus 2.3. So total is 39.8. Okay, here this column you have to take. Okay, then you total it, you get 39.8. Now what is r bar p? R bar p is nothing but total, that is 39.8 divided by n, means number. So here there are 8. See, here there are 8 columns, but first one is nil actually. So for that you have to take 7. Okay, first one is nil, so for that it is 7. Total 8. You don't take directly serial number, remember, because here it is first one is nil, so for that only 7. Hope you're clear. So n is 7. So answer is 5.69. That is return of the portfolio. Okay, you take RP, right there, that is 5.69. Okay, next you need to calculate standard deviation. Okay, now how do you calculate standard deviation? See, you got r bar p, right? You got r bar p, that is 5.69. Now rp minus r bar p you have to calculate. How do you calculate rp minus r bar p? Rp is 30.1 and r bar p is 5.69, right? Rp is 30.1 minus 5.69. So what is the answer? That is 24.41. If you clear like that, 17.6 minus 5.69, clear, 5.69, that is r bar p. R bar p is 5.69. 5.69, that is r bar p. So you get 17.6 minus 5.69, you get 11.91. Like that, calculate for all. Then see, this is D, right? D is nothing but RP minus R bar P. 1 minute. See, D is nothing but 1 minute. See here, D is nothing but RP minus R bar P. Now we calculated RP minus R bar P. Okay. Now this is RP minus R bar P. Now that is nothing but D. Now D square you need, that is 24.41 into 24.41. So answer is 595.85. Like that you calculate for all. So total you get, that is summation of D square. Hope you're clear. 1624.96. That is nothing but summation D square. Okay, summation D square. Now formula is summation D square divided by n. So 1624.9, that is the total, divided by 7. Number is 7. Hope you're clear. That is answer is 15.24. That is standard deviation. Hope you're clear. That is standard deviation of the portfolio. Next, you need to calculate for similar way. You need to calculate for market return. Now, what about market? See, this is market. I told you this is regarding market. Right here. See, here you need to take market. Market means these two columns. So market return is this one. So this column you have to take, that is 8.7. 1 minute. See, 8.7, 4.2, minus 7.2, 7.6, and total of that column is 15.7. 15.7. Now you need to calculate R bar M. R bar M, that is 15.7 divided by 7, because first one is nil. Clear? So 2.24. Then, sorry, first one is nil. Then next you need to, what you have to do, Rm minus R bar M is nothing but D, right? You need to calculate D. So for that, Rm minus R bar M you have to calculate. What about Rm? Rm is 8.7. 8.7. R bar M is calculated, that is 2.24. So answer is 6.46. Clear? Next is 1 minute. See. Second one, 4.2. 1 minute. 4.2 minus 2.24, that is nothing but 1.96. That is Rm minus R bar M. Okay, that is nothing but D. Next, D square you have to calculate. 6.46 into 6.46, that is 41.73. Like that you calculate for all. The total is 175. That is nothing but summation D square. Hope you're clear. That is 175 divided by n, that is 7. So standard deviation of m is 5. Hope you're clear. Next you need to calculate, apply it to the formula. Sharp model. Here formula Rp minus Rf divided by standard deviation P. So for that, Rp, which one is Rp? Say Rp means portfolio. Regarding portfolio, okay, you have to take regarding portfolio. Now what about Rp? Sorry, Rm. Here this you have to take, that is 5.69. R bar P is there, right? R bar P, there it is. Yeah, R bar P is there, right? That you have to take. Okay, 5.69 Rp minus 1.75. It's given in a question, that is Rf. I'll show you. See here. Here it is. Here it is 1.75, that is risk-free asset. Beta is given, that is 2.83. Okay. Next, see 5.69 minus 1.75 divided by 15.24. Now what is 15.24? We calculated that is standard deviation of portfolio, 15.24. Hope you're clear. 15.24 is the standard deviation. So apply it, then you get the answer is 0.26. Okay, next you calculate for market. See 2.24 The similar way, R bar M you calculated, right? R bar M, that is 2.24. Okay, then minus 1.75, that is RF, divided by 5. Divided by 5, see here it is 5, that is standard deviation of the market. You calculate it, so that you have to apply. Standard deviation of the market is 5. Standard deviation of the market is 5. So answer is 0.098. Hope you are clear. Next, apply Trainer's method. RP minus RF. RP, that is 5.69, 1.7975 is the RF, divided by beta. Beta is given in a question, that is 2.83. See here, 2.83, that is the beta. So apply. So you get the answer 1.39. Like that you calculate for market. 2.24 minus 1.75 divided by 1, because beta of the market is always 1. Remember, beta of the market is always 1. So answer is 0.49. Next, you need to calculate Jensen's model. RP minus RF plus RM minus RF into beta P. RP is 5.69, right? RF is 1.75, RM is 2.24, minus RF 1.75 into beta 2.83. So answer is 2.55. So like this you have to calculate. This is important one. In case of any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, let's try to work out in the notes, then you will understand clearly. Okay, thank you.